Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Today I will share a delicious almond and flax seeds crackers which is totally gluten-free snack and low-carb appetizer. Let's start the recipe. We need flaxseed meal or flaxseed powder. First, dry roast flax seeds into a pan, then cool completely. After that, grind to a smooth powder. You can buy ready-made flaxseed meal from market. Here I used homemade flaxseed powder. Flax seeds are easily available in market or you can order it from online. Secondly, we need almond meal or almond powder. For that, first dry roast almonds into an air fryer or microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. Then cool completely. After that, grind to a smooth powder. Now take 120 ml roasted almonds powder into a mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of prepared flaxseed powder. After that, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar powder. You can add jaggery powder instead of sugar. After that, add 1 tablespoon of dry coconut powder or desiccated coconut. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of piri piri masala. You can easily get this from online. If you don't have this, use 1 teaspoon of Italian pizza mix herbs and chili flakes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds or jeera. Then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix thoroughly. Now mix 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water gradually. In case the dough seems sticky, then simply sprinkle extra flaxseed powder 1 teaspoon at a time. Knead the dough for 30 seconds. Set aside for 5 minutes until the flax fiber absorb the extra moisture. Low carb baking is a bit different from regular baking as you are using nuts flour and seeds flour that contains lot of fibers. Fibers are water absorbent and makes dough a bit more sticky than flour based ones. Now rest the dough for at least 10 minutes to absorb moisture. It is very important part to rest the dough. After that, knead the rested dough for 30 seconds. After that, take 2 pieces butter paper or parchment paper. First, place the dough into a butter paper. Then place another piece of butter paper. It is important that roll the cracker dough between 2 pieces of butter paper to prevent the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. Now fold the paper and make rectangle shape. Then roll it. This process will make the cutting much easier if you want to shape beautiful rectangle shape. Now open the paper, cut evenly with the help of knife or pizza cutter. Cut out the extra paper. Now make pinhole with help of fork or toothpick. Now it is ready to bake. Place it into preheated air fryer and bake on 160 degrees Celsius temperature for 20 minutes. Or bake in microwave on 180 degrees Celsius temperature for 30 minutes, or until the both sides of crackers gets golden and crispy. The crackers will more crisp as they cool down. Store the crackers in an airtight glass jar. Avoid storing in any plastic containers which may cause of softness of the crackers, and don't store in the fridge or they will soften. You can enjoy the crackers with any sauce like Szechuan sauce or salsa dip, or enjoy the crackers with corn cheese toppings. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.